Two new operation types, prime turning rough and prime turning finish, allow for high-speed material removal and increased tool life of up to 2 times when paired with the new CoroTurn Prime A and B type tools. These program types are recommended for roughing and finishing in all directions on turning centers, vertical lathes, and multitask machines. Prime turning operations may only use CoroTurn Prime A or B type tools. CoroTurn Prime A inserts are designed for roughing, finishing, and profiling. CoroTurn Prime B inserts are designed for heavy roughing applications. These tools can be used with other turning operation types as well. Pre-configured prime turning assembly tools can be retrieved from the library. Prime turning operations can perform multi-channel roughing as well as can be used in conjunction with continuous B-axis turning. For dual roughing, the customizable item multi-channel roughing must be added manually to the prime turning template. Here we have an example of prime turning machining programmed with NXCAM.